Hello students, this video we will do exercise 22b. Question number 1 is 100 students from a certain locality use different modes of traveling to school as given below. Draw a bar graph. So students, we have to draw a bar graph in this question. Different students use different modes of transport to school. So bus, how many students? 32. Car, 16. Rickshaw, how many students are using? 24. Bicycle, 20. Walk, 8. So students, we have to show this data in bar graph. So see how we can show in bar graph. So for this, first of all, we will draw a y-axis. That will be vertical axis in this way. We will draw y-axis. This we will take as a y-axis. This line, we will take this line on dark green line. So students, see, maximum is 32 and rest are 16, 24, 20 and 8. So these all are multiples of 4. So it is better to take 0, 4, 8, 12 like this. So students, maximum is 32. So take from 36 here on the top. Take from the top. Here 36. Then 32. Here 28. Then 24. Then students, 20. Then 16. Then 12. 8. 4. And here 0. So this much line is extra, so we can rub this extra one, we can rub. Now we will take this horizontal axis as x-axis, this. So 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and we will close this by using this arrow, and here we will write y. And this axis we will use to show number of students. So here we will write number of students. On x-axis, this axis, we will use modes of traveling. We will use to show modes of traveling. So here we will write modes of traveling. So now students, first one is bus, and for bus 32. So we will show 32 for bus. So 32 is here, means we will show 32 in this way. See, this and this, and we will close here. So students, here we will write inside this bus. This bar is showing for bus 32. 32 students are using bus to travel to school. Now after bus, car. How many students? 16. So we will show 16 now. So see, 16 is here. It means in this way. This. We will close this. And inside the bar, what we will write? Car. So this bar is showing for number of students traveling by car to come to school. 16 students. Now rickshaw, 24. So 24 students. In this way we can show. We will close this. And inside the bar we will write rickshaw. Students, you can see we are leaving the space of one bar in each. You can see here. Now after this, bicycle, how many? 20. So 20 for bicycle. So students, inside the bracket we will write bicycle. Now walk, 8 students. This one is for walk. So inside the bracket we will write walk. So students, we can close this x-axis by using this arrow, and here we will write x. So students, it was about the question number 1 bar graph. We will take the scale like this: 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, this, and we will represent these bus, car, rickshaw, bicycle, walk by using bar graph in this way: bus 32, car 16, rickshaw 24, and bicycle 20, walk 8. And it is compulsory to write number. It means we are showing here number of students. It is compulsory to write here, and here we are showing modes of traveling. So it was about the question number 1 bar graph. Now come to the question number 2. Second question is, Mr. Mirza's monthly income is rupees 7,200. Monthly income is 7,200. He spends rupees 1,800 on rent, rupees 2,700 on food, rupees 900 on education of his children, rupees 1,200 on other things, and save the rest. Draw a pie chart to represent it. Students, what is it? Is save the rest. It means saving is not given. We have to find the saving. So first we will find the saving. So saves is equal to, in income, a person do only two things: either expend or save. So saving is equal to income minus expenditure. Income is rupees 7,200 minus expenditure. So expenditure are 1,800, 2,700, 900, and 1,200. So we will add all this and subtract from 7,200. So how we can write? See, rupees, inside the bracket we will add this: 1,800 plus rupees 2,700 plus rupees 900 plus rupees 1,200. Any other is left? No. So students, rupees 7,200 minus rupees, sum of this will come 6,600. It means saving is equal to 7,200 minus 6,600. It will come 600. So students, saving is coming 600. So we have to draw a pie chart. For pie chart, we must have the central angle. So first we will find the central angle. So see how we can find the central angle. For central angle, we will draw a table. Here we will write expenses. So expenses are rent, then after rent, food, after food, education, after education, other things, after other things, saves. So we will close this in this way. Here we will write amount. Inside the bracket, better to write rupees. Then we will close this. And in last we will write central angle. In this column we will find central angle. So we can close this table in this way. and this also we have to close. Students, here we will write total. Now here we will write the amount on rent. Spend on rent is 1800. Then on food 2700. Then on education 900. On other things 1200. And saving is coming 600. And sum of this will come 7200. Now students, how we can find the central angle C? 1800 upon 7200. See again, 1800 upon total 7200 multiply 360 degree. 1800 upon total 7200 multiply 360 degree. In the same way here also 2700 upon 7200 multiply 360 degree. 900 upon 7200 multiply 360 degree. 1200 upon 7200 multiply 360 degree. 600 upon 7200 multiply 360 degree. Now we will solve these to find the central angle. So 0 to 0 cancel. This 0 to 0 is also cancel. Now 36 1 the 36, 36 2 the 2 9s are 18 and 0. So student, central angle is coming this 90 degree. 0 to 0 cancel. This 0 to 0 cancel. 36 1 the 36, 36 2 the. Then 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, 2 5 the 10. It is coming 135 degree. Then 0 to 0 cancel. 0 to 0 cancel. 36 1 the 36 2 the 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10. So 45 1 the 45. It means 45 degree. 0 to 0 cancel. 0 to 0 cancel. 36 1 the 36, 36 2 the 2 6 the 12 and 0. So 61 the 60 degree. 0 to 0 cancel. This 0 is also cancelled. 36 1 the 36 2 the then 30, 31 the 30 degree. Now students, the sum of all the angles must come 360 degree. If it is coming less than 360 or more than 360 degree, it means something we have done wrong in the calculation. So do the sum. 5 5 10, 0, carry 1, 9 1 10 3 13, 13 and 4 17, 17 and 3 20 and 6 26, 2 and 1 3. Yes, it is coming 360 degree. Now we will represent these angles on pie chart. So see how we can represent. First of all, we will draw a circle of any radius. So students, as you can see, it is a circle of any radius. It doesn't matter how much big is the circle. First, we have to show 90 degrees. So before this, draw a straight line in this way, a radius like this. Now we have to show 90 degree. On this line, we will show 90 degree angle. So we will cover this line, as you already know this, how you have to show the 90 degree or any angle. So we will cover this line in this way, and 90 degree we have to show. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. This one. So now we will join this. till only circumference of circle, not complete, till only circumference of circle. So here we will write 90 degree. This one is for rent, so we will write rent here. Next, 135 degree. So on this line we will show 135 degree, this line. So we will cover this line in this way, and 135 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 90, 120, 120, then 130, 135, this one. So it means 135. So we will join this till circumference of circle. So here we will write 135 degree. This one is for food. Now students, education 45 degree. So we will show 45 degree. So see, on this line we will show 45 degree. We will cover this. (45 degree), 40 and 5 degree, this one. So it is coming in this way. Here we will write 45 degree. And for education, so inside this we will write education. Then next is 60 degree. On this line we will show 60 degree. So see, (60 degree), this. So we will close this, and here we will write 60 degree. This one is for other things. So inside this we will write other things. Last one is 30 degree. So students, this remaining must be the 30 degree. So we can cross check this. Yes, it is 30 degree. So here we will write 30 degree and for saves. And here it is better to write pie chart. So students, it was about the question number 2, pie chart. First we will draw a table to find the central angle. So after getting the central angle, we will draw a pie chart in this way.